Hello, my name is Jack Shorenstein. I am a 7th grader at Eastmark High School. So our teachers are going to make us use a program called Cami. Cami is a program that allows you to sign and write on documents. Very similar to Google Docs, but with really like a sign option. And a lot of our teachers really like it, so they want us to use it. So to help a lot of people, this will be the complete setup tutorial explaining how to set up Cami. So are you guys ready? Let's begin. So first you're going to go to your Google search bar and type Chrome Web Store. I already have it here, so I'm just going to click on it. Well, I did. So then we're going to see chrome.google.com. It says Web Store. We're going to hit this. It'll bring you to this page. Click Search the Store and type K-A-M-I for Cami. Hit Cami extension, PDF, and document annotation. You can hit this and hit Add to Chrome, but I'll just hit over here, Add to Chrome. Once you do that, it will say it can read and change all your data on the website you visit, which means it will add a little icon that says Edit with Cami to Google Docs, Google Drive, and Google Classroom especially. So we're going to hit Add Extension. Once you'll see a little notification that says Cami extension, PDF, and document annotation has been added to Chrome. Hit the X. You might be like, did it just uninstall? Did everything Jack said was wrong? No. You need to hit the little puzzle piece and then hit the little pin next to Cami. Cami is now officially installed on your Chromebook or on your Chrome web browser. But you might ask, how do I edit in Cami? This is a full setup tutorial, right? It is. So let me show you how to edit with Cami. Hit Cami PDF documentation. It will ask you for your Google account, and it will so you're gonna actually hit. So actually, let's log out here so I can show you guys. So we're gonna hit with Google, and we're gonna hit jackshow26 at qcusd.org. This will be your school account. So hit that, and it'll bring you to this page. I have a PDF called cami.pdf as a test. Here we are. So as you might be able to tell, I added some text and a signature. But let me show you how to add those manually. To add text, you're going to go over here and you're going to hit text box. And then place your text box. I'll type Jack Shorenstein here like I did before. I'll also add period 1, since that is my ABID period. Then we're going to go to add a signature. You're going to actually hit draw signature. You can draw on your phone, but I drew it using the mouse. And here's my signature, and I'm going to click insert. It'll allow you to drop your signature. So I'll drop it right here. And there you go. Text and signature. But there's a lot more that I can't really get into because it's a long thing. So you have dictionary, text-to-speech, markup, comment, equation, drawing, shapes, eraser, and you're allowed to insert an image. There's so much more that you can use with Cami. I recommend using the documentation that will be linked with this video. And that should help you get started with Cami. I hope this video helped, and I hope to see you guys in class soon. Bye!